How to add a follow button on your Facebook profile. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already added my follow button on my Facebook profile, and let me show you how to do it. It's really simple, so keep on watching. So here, as you can see, I am on my Facebook profile, and now let's show you how my Facebook profile looks like if someone else wants to go on my Facebook profile. So I will just click on view as. So here how my Facebook profile looks like. I have the add friend button, and here I have the message button. So I don't have the follow button, but I will show you in a minute how you can do that. So let's do it. So now let's go back from here, and from here we have to scroll down until we find settings and privacy. So here you want to click on settings, then from here you want to scroll down, and here at audience and visibility we have followers and public content. So click on that, and here you have to make all of these right here public. So here, as you can see, my first option is public. Who can see your followers on your timeline is public. My comments, as you can see, are just a friend, so I will set this to public, and then all of this has to be public. So now let's go back from here, and now you have to click on how people find and contact you. So click on that, and then click on the first option, who can send you friend requests. And here this is set to everyone, and we just want to change that to friends of friends. So once we did that, we just have to go back. Now we can go to our profile and see how our profile looks like now. Let's click on those three dots from the right of the screen, and then click on view as. So now we have the follow button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.